Hey folks, I'm out in the garage today and doing a little bit of work on this 2006 Street Glide. Sorry about the lighting there, the sun is blaring in the window, but what I've done is remove the stereo, and there's a few things you have to do to make that happen. First of all is, one, you're going to want to disconnect your battery. And number two, there's some sets of bolts. Actually, there's a bolt that goes through there by the forks, and one up here on near the top of the fairing by the mirror, behind the mirror. And then there's going to be three on the top of the fairing. And then the thing just pops off. You have to disconnect the headlight. But super easy to get that fairing off of there. And then I did remove the radio, as you can see here, and that came out. There's basically 4 bolts that hold that in, the bracket, 2 on each side, and it came out pretty easily. But what I want to point out here is once I pulled the stereo out, I have full access to the handlebar clamps, and even better from the front side. So very easy, and I really want to make an adjustment on my handlebars here because I'm a taller guy and just wanted to move these forward as far as I can. So very easy. I've got these loosened up here, and I'm just going to go ahead and make this adjustment and clamp them back down. Okay, so I just want to show where these bars are at after adjusting them. All right, so basically they're as far as they can go forward against the fairing, and it actually feels pretty good. My arms are stretched out all the way. Before I think they were down here a little bit more, because my elbows were bent, but now it's feeling pretty good. We'll see how this goes. I was going to put the apes on it, like the 12s or even the 14s, and that would put my arms up here. But, actually I'm kind of liking this riding position here, and it's pretty comfortable. So we'll see how this goes. But anyway, that's after the adjustment.